ever bridge the gap. BrightCHAMPS presents the only platform for all real-world skills, featuring 7 learning programs: coding, financial literacy, robotics, math, communication, generative AI, science, each one a leap into the future. But that's just level 1. 200+ short courses, 30+ self-paced journeys, masterclasses so interactive you'll never want to miss one. And the bonus round, live sessions, global experts, international exposure, flexible schedules, hands-on projects, engaging activities. BrightCHAMPS, because the future doesn't wait.